Welcome to this product demonstration and explainer video. We're excited to introduce you to Gebeya Jitume, your all-in-one platform to launch, manage, and grow your service-based business. Whether you're a freelancer, solopreneur, or a small business owner, Gebeya Jitume gives you everything you need: a mini website, a booking calendar, and a built-in payment gateway. Let's walk you through just how easy it is to get started. First, click Start Free Trial on the homepage. Next, enter your email and password, then hit Create Account. Simple as that. Now, tell us a little more about yourself. Enter your first name, last name, and your profession. There's a wide range of professions to choose from. If you don't find yours on the list, just select Other and continue. Now select your country. For example, let's say Ethiopia. Then add your preferred communication channel. Whether it's Telegram or WhatsApp, we've got you covered. Add your phone number and click Next. Here's where the magic happens. Your personalized service page is instantly created. Congratulations! In under a minute, you now have a live service page. Click Go to Dashboard to manage your service page. And that's it. Fast, simple, and powerful. With Gebeya Jitume, launching your service business has never been easier. Stay tuned for the next part of this demo, where we dive deeper into customizing your service page. Welcome back. Now that your account is created, let's explore your Gebeya Jitume dashboard. For this demo, the business name is set to Smart Book Accounting. But remember, everything here is fully editable. Let's start with settings. Here, you can change your business name, update your profession, and most importantly, upload your profile picture and banner image. And your banner? That's your personal brand billboard. Think of it like a LinkedIn banner. It's the first thing clients notice. Use it to showcase your brand colors, tagline, or a professional image that builds trust at a glance. Now click on Services. By default, Gebeya Jitume sets up 2 example services, which you can fully edit or create new services tailored to your expertise. Let's add one together. Say, Payroll Management. Fill in the details: category, title, pricing, per month or per hour. Discounted price, then briefly explain the value your service provides. And don't forget to add an image. Visuals make your page engaging and professional, and voila! Your new service is live. Every detail you add helps shape your mini website. The better it looks, the more confident your clients will feel. Next up, we'll dive into the customer section, where you can manage and engage with your clients directly. All right, let's now take a look at your general settings. This is where you polish up your digital storefront and lock in your brand identity. Click View My Site to see your live service page. This is what clients will see when they visit your service page profile. Don't like how it looks? No problem. Just head back to Settings and make a tweak. Once you're happy with it, click Save Business Information to publish your updates. Ready to go live? Share your page directly through WhatsApp or Telegram. Just register with the platform and you'll be able to instantly send your service link to contacts. It's a simple and effective way to start attracting clients. Want to unlock more features? Click Subscription to view available plans. You'll also see options like private listing, marketplace visibility, and more powerful tools to grow your business. Gebeya Jitume also gives you full control over notifications. Want real-time updates when a client books your service? Turn it on. Prefer fewer pings? Turn them off anytime. It's all up to you. Now let's add your social media accounts. Add your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other social media usernames. They'll appear directly on your service page, boosting credibility and helping clients connect with you outside the platform. This is where you turn your service page into a brand hub. Lastly, manage your availability. Don't want to take bookings on Sundays or during a holiday? Block specific dates or set a weekly schedule. You stay in full control of when and how clients can reach you. So that's how you fine-tune your service page and lock in your brand identity with Gebeya Jitume. Next up, we'll explore how to manage your customers, bookings, and get paid, all from your dashboard. Let's move on to something exciting: marketing. From your dashboard, click on the Marketing tab. Here's where you'll find simple tools to spread the word. You can copy your service page link and share it on any platform. Easy to share, easy to click. Gebeya also generates a QR code for you. This code links directly to your service page, perfect for business cards, flyers, event booths, and on your storefront. Anyone can scan it and instantly land on your service page. So whether you're sharing through DMs, adding a link to your bio, or printing a QR code, Gebeya Jitume gives you the marketing tools to promote your services with ease. Now let's talk about your most important asset, your customers. Inside the Customers tab, you'll find a smart and simple way to manage your client relationships. If someone books you online through your service page, they'll automatically be added to this list. No extra work needed. Looking for someone? Use the search bar to quickly find a customer by name, phone number, or email. When a customer calls or messages you directly, you can manually add them here. Just enter their name, email, phone number. Forget sticky notes and spreadsheets. Your dashboard gives you everything in one place. Whether you're planning a follow-up, sending a reminder, or just reviewing past interactions, you now have an organized and professional customer management system. Building a strong business starts with strong customer relationships. Gebeya Jitume helps you stay connected, stay organized, and grow with confidence. Next up, let's explore how bookings and payments work on your dashboard. Stay tuned.